English conversation about daily routine.
Hi, how's your day going so far?
Hi there, it's going pretty well, thanks. How about yours?
It's been good so far. I've had a busy morning, but I'm glad to be taking a break now. Do you have a busy day ahead of you?
Yeah, I do. I have a lot of work to get done today, but it's nothing I can't handle. How about you?
I have some work to do as well, but it's not too bad. I actually wanted to ask you, what's your daily routine like?
Sure, I can tell you about it. I usually wake up around 5:30 am and complete my prayer. After that, I go for a quick jog to get my blood flowing. Then, I come back home and take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. After that, I start my workday and usually work until about PM.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty disciplined routine. I wish I could wake up that early and exercise like that. What do you do after work?
Well, it depends on the day. Sometimes I'll meet up with friends for dinner, but most nights I just come home and relax for a bit. I might watch some videos or read a book before going to bed around PM.
That sounds nice. My routine is a bit different. I usually wake up around AM, have breakfast, and then start my workday around AM. I work until about PM, and then I try to do something fun in the evening, like going to the gym or meeting up with friends.
You should get up early in the morning. Do you have any other daily habits or routines that you follow?
Thanks for your advice. Yes, I always try to take a quick walk outside during my lunch break, and I like to journal before going to bed to reflect on my day. Oh, and I also try to meditate for a few minutes each morning to clear my mind before starting work.
Those are all great habits. I should try meditating sometime. It sounds like a good way to start the day. Well, it's been great talking with you about our daily routines.
Yes, it has. Thanks for sharing your routine with me. It's always interesting to hear how other people structure their days.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.